Welcome to this explainer on the brand new Wefulfil system. If you've been navigating the world of global fulfillment, you already know the struggle. Tracking orders, keeping an eye on inventory, managing billing, it can honestly feel a bit like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube while running on a treadmill, right? But today, we're unpacking how the redesigned Wefulfil platform totally flips the script. We're going to look at how it acts less like a static software tool and way more like a proactive business partner, one that actually makes your daily operations clear, significantly faster, and undeniably smarter. Manage smarter, fulfill faster, grow with Wefulfil. Okay, let's quickly look at our roadmap for today. We're going to walk through a standard day-in-the-life workflow. We'll kick things off with your new business dashboard, then move into navigating your daily tasks. After that, we've got managing orders and exceptions, followed by tracking your inventory health, and finally, we'll wrap up with performance reports and support. All right, diving into Section 1, your new business dashboard, a high-level overview of your business status. We're going to start our day exactly where you will, right at the dashboard, the second you sign in. And the very first thing the system focuses your attention on is this magic number, 30. Right at the top, boom, the dashboard immediately displays your recent orders and your total fulfillment spend from the last 30 days. This gives you an instant, undeniable pulse on your business's financial and operational health over a standard business cycle. And the best part? You don't have to run a single custom report to get it. Now notice how the dashboard goes way beyond just the basic numbers. It actually centralizes your most crucial operational data. So at a single glance, you see your average fulfillment time, which is absolutely crucial for keeping those customers happy. But even more importantly, it instantly surfaces your top alerts. We're talking orders requiring attention and tickets requiring attention. It completely eliminates that awful guessing game of trying to figure out where the fires might be starting. Let's jump down to Section 2, navigating your daily tasks, pinpointing exactly what needs your attention. As we scroll down that dashboard, we shift from just observing to actually taking action. And this really highlights how the software acts like that proactive partner I mentioned earlier. Right alongside your personalized tasks, you've got immediate access to your quick tools. The developers clearly know exactly what eats up your time because they front-loaded the shipping rate calculator and your inventory request creation right here. It's designed to speed up your daily ops so you aren't endlessly digging through nested menus just to, check a shipping price or kick off a restock. All right, Section 3, managing orders and exceptions, keeping fulfillment on track. So once you've knocked out those quick morning tasks, you'll naturally transition over to the orders page. This is where you can view orders across all your different connected stores and check up on their payment, fulfillment, and inventory statuses. But here is where the system truly shines. When you open the exception orders page, it brilliantly divides your issues into two completely separate columns, customer action required on one side and WFF handling on the other. Just think about how much time is usually wasted trying to figure out if an exception is waiting on you or waiting on your fulfillment partner. This crystal clear separation tells you exactly what you need to fix versus what the Wefulfil team is already taking care of in the background. It's a total game changer. Under that Customer Action Required section, you'll spot a very prominent Take Action button right next to the items that are stalled. And the actions it asks for are incredibly specific. Maybe you need to provide an updated shipping address, confirm a reshipment, or authorize a refund. The crucial point here is that once you click that button and complete the required step, the order smoothly and automatically moves on to the next stage of fulfillment. Seriously, no more back-and-forth emails just to unblock an order. Moving into Section 4, tracking your inventory health. Plan and track your stock effectively. Let's zoom out a bit from specific problem orders and look at the broader picture over on the full inventory page. You are really going to love this visual breakdown. The system takes your products and groups them into 4 super easy to understand categories: healthy, low stock, out of stock, and slow moving. Instead of staring at a massive headache-inducing spreadsheet trying to calculate what needs attention, you literally just click on the low stock or slow-moving slice of the chart, and bam, you instantly see the exact SKU list you need to deal with today. Now, when you select one of those categories, you're going to see a few different data points, but I really want to spotlight this one crucial metric: days of cover. This is the estimated number of selling days supported by your current stock, and honestly, this completely shifts your inventory management from reactive to proactive. You aren't just looking at how many physical units are sitting in a warehouse anymore, you're looking at exactly how much time you have before those units run out, all based on your actual real-world sales velocity. Let's see how this all builds a complete picture. Right alongside days of cover, the system gives you your sales from the last 7 days, your pending stock, which is stuff waiting to be received by Wefulfil, and your available stock.
By synthesizing all this data, the system literally hands you a recommended restock quantity. It basically does the math for you. This helps you quickly decide when it's time to hit that quick restock button and seamlessly initiate your replenishment workflow.
Now for Section 5, Performance Reports and Support. Understanding performance and getting help. Now that we've tackled the day-to-day, we transition to long-term management. We're talking the reports page for your monthly business summaries, your SKU performance, and destination country performance. Plus, there's the invoices page for checking your monthly spend and grabbing transaction details for reconciliation. And working behind all of this amazing data is a highly customizable engine. In your system settings, you can invite your team members and set highly specific access permissions, meaning you control exactly which stores and functions every single member can see. You also connect your Shopify stores and APIs right here. And what's incredibly useful? The ability to configure your email and WhatsApp notifications. You can make sure vital updates about inventory reach the exact right people on your team, exactly when they need to know. Of course, sometimes you just need to talk to a human. When you need assistance, creating a ticket in the My Tickets area is super straightforward. But what's more important is that the system transparently tracks your entire communication history through a really simple 4-stage lifecycle: open, awaiting your reply, under Wefulfil review, and resolved. You are never left wondering if your request just disappeared into the void. And to help manage all those conversations, the Tickets inbox consolidates everything. It separates your communications into really clean views: your general inbox, important, snoozed, and cleared items. It puts your latest replies and your most important tickets in one central place, making it incredibly simple to follow up on your priority issues without ever losing track of the details. So, as we wrap up this explainer, let's take a step back and look at the big picture. The new Wefulfil system successfully gathers all your fragmented business data into one central hub. It totally clarifies order exceptions by telling you exactly what action to take, and it drastically boosts your daily efficiency. The tools are transparent, and the whole process is incredibly reliable. I guess the only question left is, how are you going to use this newfound clarity to grow smarter today? Thanks so much for diving into this with me, and I'll catch you on the next explainer.